has accepted a deal in a tax fraud case in Spain to avoid a prison sentence. The Juventus superstar was accused of not paying over £12 million in tax on his image rights between 2011 and 2014 during his time with Real Madrid. The 33-year-old was dressed casually as he arrived in court alongside girlfriend Georgina Rodriguez. Ronaldo accepted a fine of around £16.9 million, which he will pay to Spanish authorities, and a 23-month prison sentence. He told reporters all perfect as he left the court in Madrid, with Ronaldo not serving any jail time due to it being a first offence. Former Real Madrid teammate Xabi Alonso was also in court on Tuesday.Key EventsRonaldo accepts DAL 936 Ronaldo ARRIVS 0839 1029 FULL story. Ronaldo avoids jail after reaching deal. Has avoided jail after accepting a fine of £16. 9 meters for tax fraud. Ronaldo was joined by Georgina Rodriguez at the Madrid court and signed autographs for fans as he left the court. Ronaldo agreed to settle the case by paying the fine and was handed a 23-month prison sentence. But under Spanish law, a first offender can serve anything less than a 2-year sentence under probation. (1023) Alonso trial suspended. Xabi Alonso also appeared in court in Madrid. A court spokesman has confirmed that the former Liverpool midfielder's trial has been suspended. (936) EventsRonaldo accepts deal. Has accepted the deal with Spanish authorities, as expected. A court spokesman confirmed Ronaldo would be handed a fine and a suspended sentence. Because it is his first offence, he will not serve any time behind bars. Ronaldo will pay around £16. 5 meters to the courts. Read more here. 0933 Ronaldo leaves court. Has left the court in Madrid. He was flanked by partner Georgina Rodriguez and told the waiting photographers all perfect as he departed. (924) Juventus are back in action against Lazio this weekend. Ronaldo will of course be involved in that one. As mentioned, he will not serve any time behind bars, even if he is found guilty. 0904 Ronaldo legal battle. This is not the only legal battle Ronaldo is involved in. The Portuguese is also accused of rape in Las Vegas in 2009. He has denied the charge. (852) Why Ronaldo won't serve time in jail. Ronaldo said everything's perfect as he arrived in court a short while ago. His appearance in court is expected to be short, with Ronaldo required to simply accept the deal. Under Spanish law, a first offender can serve anything less than a 2-year sentence under probation, so Ronaldo will not be required to serve his time in jail. 8:39 EVENTRonaldo has arrived at court. The Portuguese appears relaxed as he hugs a fan after getting out of his car. He is joined by girlfriend Georgina Rodriguez and lawyer José Antonio Choclan as he enters through the main door. Ronaldo is dressed casually, wearing a roll-neck jumper with sunglasses and white trainers. (8:20) Ronaldo denied special security. Ronaldo has been denied special security measures today. He had hoped to enter the court through a car park due to his stature and potential security risk. But he will have to come through the main entrance. 0809 Alonso arrives in court. Ronaldo won't be the only one appearing in court today. His former Real teammate Xabi Alonso will also be in Madrid. Alonso has been charged with defrauding tax authorities of €2 million, but denies any wrongdoing. He has arrived in court with Ronaldo, expected shortly. 07:56 What is alleged, Ronaldo has been accused of not paying over £12 million in tax on his image rights between 2011 and 2014. In the summer, he agreed a deal to pay the Spanish authorities £16.9 million and accept a 2-year prison sentence. He will not spend the sentence behind bars, as in Spain sentences of 2 years and under can be served on probation. (7:49) is due to appear in court at around 9 a.m. UK this morning. We will have live updates from the trial as and when we get them. (6:37) Welcome has made a request to enter court away from the public ahead of his trial for tax fraud. The Juventus star will return to Madrid this week as he faces trial at the provincial court in the Spanish capital. Ronaldo sent a formal request to the court to be allowed to avoid the normal walk into the main entrance, reports El Mundo. The 33-year-old had hoped the court would allow him to access the building through the car park to protect him and guarantee his safety. Ronaldo asked for his request to be considered due to his stature and the subsequent risk of him making his way through the main entrance. The initial request was rejected by the Spanish court, but a written request has now been sent.